haven't been on because of this. I'm inflamed, I'm puffy, I am on to the bare basics right now because of that. And I think I figured out why. I do my makeup in the morning and sometimes I want to redo it and try something different, try different tools, different brushes, different techniques. So I would use a makeup wipe and I don't think my skin was playing nice with it. So this is what I'm doing now and I figured I would share it. I just washed my face with the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser because it says it gently cleans and it says it's rich in amino acids. And then I gently buff it off with one of my face towels and then I pat it dry like this. I don't rub my face, I just pat it dry. Then I come in with my Tower 28 Trio, Tower 28 Spray. Shake, shake, shake. And I spray it all over. Then I've got the Tower 28 Serum. Squirt, 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 squirt. And it's up here on my eyes and under my eyes. And it's not fun and I don't enjoy it. And then the Tower 28 Moisturizer. I do like that it comes out so I can dispense how much I want, right? And I can add more and I'm not dipping my hand in something gross. My favorite is the Drunk Elephant type or Skin Fix type. What's better, Skin Fix or Tower 28? That's what I'd like to know. Or Pharmacy's Honey Halo. I'm gonna start doing some research and seeing which clears me up faster. So it is New Year's Eve. Stay safe, protect your skin, do a facial tonight. Get a face mask, do some pampering and some self-love, and don't leave your house unless you're already out, and then don't come back to your house. Stay safe.